All right, man, I swear I've missed you all so much. I know it's only been like 2 days of no real videos, but somewhere in the back of my heart, it feels it's like been 2 weeks or something. So I am very excited to make the videos normally starting tomorrow onward. Man, I have to call myself out on Mavis. I got Mavis so wrong. I really wish more people on the video said, wow, guy, you are completely wrong, and here's why. Like, I didn't even take Mavis onto my better stack to look at it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, Mavis, crazy movement. Nonetheless, hey, I just again want to say I missed you so much. So excited to do the videos again. And then, hey, I for sure saw, I can't believe people were messaging me even though there were no videos made. Crazy. But yes, I for sure saw them. I will answer them shortly. And yeah, back to the flow. So enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you tomorrow about some stocks. That's for sure. Have a great one.